Aminyolo bembe bolota kisemile mama bana. Bena basikusi betemedi olonge. Demyombwa bibel. Babo bimesema mendesa wabe. Mba nabinika.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Therese. Today we're going to be making sauteed huckleberry syrup with steamed green plantains. Huckleberry is cultivated in East, West, and Central Africa, and of course very rich in fiber and other nutrients. Plantains are cultivated in tropical areas. They are very rich in potassium, fiber, and very low in sugar. Let's come back and talk about the other things that will be going into our dish today. So, what's going into our dish today? Of course, we have our huckleberries steamed for 10 minutes and drained. We will also need tomatoes, habanero hot pepper, oil. We'll use canola oil, beef, crayfish, salt, bouillon cube, smoked fish, onion, and plantain. We'll start off by chopping our tomatoes, then saute it for about 45 minutes or until we can get rid of the tap. While that's going on, steam your meat. You do not have to add any water to it. Just add your pureed hot pepper and onion. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt and 1 bouillon cube. Steam that for 30 minutes. 10 minutes before you take it out, add your smoked fish. While all of that is going on, peel your plantains and steam with or without salt for 45 minutes. Let's get cooking. We'll start off by sauteing our tomatoes. We'll check regularly until our tomatoes are cooked. My meat is in the pot. I have added a pinch of salt and 1 bouillon cube. Now we will add my pureed spices, stir and let it cook. Our meat has been cooking for about 20 minutes, so we still have about 10 minutes to go. It's time to add our smoked fish. Our tomatoes have been simmering for about 30 minutes. They are still tart. I'm going to add about a cup of water and let it continue to simmer until we can get rid of the tartness. Our tomatoes have been cooking for about 45 minutes. Our meat is cooked. I took out the broth. I'm going to add it to the tomatoes and let it simmer for another 15 minutes. Our tomatoes are now cooked and the tartness is gone. We will now add our meat. Next is pureed onion and hot pepper. Now we're going to add our spices. We'll start with pureed hot pepper and onion. Next are some sliced onions and whole habanero hot pepper. One bouillon cube and some crayfish. We'll let that simmer for a couple of minutes and then bring in our huckleberry. We will now add our huckleberry. It's time to add our smoked fish. We'll let it cook for 2 minutes and we'll be back. Our sauteed huckleberry is cooked and our plantains are cooked as well. Let's come back and serve. Well, folks, our dish is all done. Today we made sauteed huckleberry served with steamed green plantains. Let's have a close look at what our dish looks like. Wow, doesn't that look delicious? Who's coming for lunch? Thank you so much for watching this episode. Share with your family and friends. Don't forget to like us on Facebook at Cooking with Therese and also subscribe to our YouTube channel at Cooking with Therese. Remember, eating healthy does not have to be boring. Bye bye and see you next time.